Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the chat. Crypto Flight Edition. Fellow compadre speaking. I know everyone's out there. I could just feel the heartbeats trying to figure out what is going on with Bitcoin. Let me show you the bullish diverging line that we put on the chart. I did some modifications to it. So let's just go and dive into that to see if the market is actually still going to be within a bullish diverging trajectory. So let's get into it. Welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we only go over price action. Let's dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right. So today's June the 21st, 2021, and the current price of Bitcoin is going to be $31,962. It's down approximately 10.3% for the day. Okay. All right, welcome back, everyone. ASMR, interesting analysis. Here is the chart. All right, perfect. So the bullish divergence pending. I actually had the line like something like maybe like a little bit down, something like that. But what I did was I actually aligned the candle's body. So on the daily candles, that's how it would look. Something just like that, or close enough, right, for government work. Something right around there. Okay, so perfect. So right now, there's a daily candles, by the way. The market actually has 30 minutes to close on this daily candle. So is the market going to continue lower all the way down to, or perhaps even below, $28,000? Maybe. I'm not sure if it's actually going to do that. But here's where I take my calculated risk, guys. This is where I enter the market, okay? I feel comfortable entering the market right here because, one, the market is still having a bullish divergence, okay? Although it did break below the ascending line, if I could just kind of put it like right here. You see how it actually broke below that ascending line on the RSI right there? So that's actually noteworthy. It broke below that level. So it's kind of like breaking the diverging trend, right? But if I back out, it's actually still a higher low if it doesn't go any lower than here. I know somebody say, come on, dude. No, you're stretching it now. Stop. Cut it out, Napoleon. Maybe you're right, but the only thing that I look for, guys, is very simple. It's higher highs and higher lows. And like if I look at it from a very practical standpoint, it doesn't have to necessarily be perfect on the ascending line, although it will be ideal, right, if it was just kind of finding support above that ascending line. But it has the potential to make a higher low. I do have a confession. I think I've already mentioned this. We do use indicators as far as when to buy Bitcoin. They've already been going off, and they've already said that the stop loss has to be somewhere near this level, $28,300. So that's the reason why we've entered the market. Although we've been saying that there's a bullish diverging trend, although that is true, right? I've been trying to look for things to discredit my reasoning for entering the market here. And so far, I'm not finding anything just yet. I mean, obviously the markets are going down, right? That's how it's supposed to be, to make you guys feel like, it's the end of the world. And if we pull up the 50 and the 200 exponential moving averages, you'll notice that it's literally like a hair away from crossing. We can actually get rid of that for 1 second. It's like a hair away from crossing there. And I know a lot of people are probably watching that. And maybe they're perhaps even getting ready to get bearish on Bitcoin, guys. I can't get bearish on Bitcoin. Not right here. Not right now. Maybe I'm a lunatic for trying to go long BTC. That's fine, guys. But I'm taking a calculated risk because I'm noticing this diverging in the trend. And also there's another thing, the reason that I'm decided to go long on BTC. So if you notice on the stochastic RSI, actually the blue line is crossed above the 20. This is the moment where you have to take the market a little bit more serious to say, okay, the market may be ready to move higher. You just have to let this market flush out first, okay? Guys, I'm long BTC. I've started to add positions right here at about $32,000. I do recommend that you do your research and do not follow what I'm doing because I could be on the wrong side of the market. But this is where I would like to. I feel comfortable entering here while there's a lot of, like the uncertainty, like people have no idea what's about to happen, including myself. But this is where I enter the market. Right here, right now, start entering, and I will continue to enter even as low as this red line down here at about $26,000. Call me crazy. Leave a toilet in the comment section saying, dude, you're going to need this because you're going to have to, you have to clean the spillage on aisle 10. You know how I always joke about that. But that's it, guys. This is where I'm entering the market. BTC looks like a buy for me. And hopefully you guys are out there executing your strategies. And that's how we're going to end the video. I guess my target is going to be, I'm going to keep the same conservative target, although I've I've been very tempted to make a very bold statement and bet the channel that the BTC will go up to like 43,000, but I'm not doing that anymore, guys. I'm not doing that. Conservative price target is the same, guys. $43,000 on Bitcoin. How long would it take? Depending on how far they put the pressure to the downside in the market and how quickly they do it. That's my, so in other words, okay, let's just say that the market continues lower for the next, these are 3-day candles, right? So this market has like 2 days to close on this active 3-day candle. Let's say it actually happens on the next candle, like it actually continues lower. Believe it or not, I'm open to that, guys. If it continues lower, that's beautiful. Okay, I'm still actively participating. But if it goes down on the next 3-day candle and it makes itself all the way down, just in wicks, though, it has to be a wicks. The market has to get bought up, I mean, like so fast to make me feel comfortable. Like, okay, yes, I may have a nice entry. But if it like has candles bodies getting all below 28,300, no, that is a big warning sign. But I'm going to say that the market needs to have some sort of relief near this area. Okay, I'm going to enter some long positions here. I was going to say something, sorry. I have the courage to do that right here, right now. Small positions, not betting the farm, but I think this is a pretty interesting risk that I'm taking. Again, near the current level, 32,000, and all the way down. Like if it gets deep, guys, I'm ready. Like I'm ready to hit that buy button. Okay, if it goes deeper, I'm getting in this market. Okay, I'm buying up these sats while everyone's trying to figure out what's going on. Okay, and again, I'm no expert. Okay, that's it. You have what I'm doing. You have my price target. You have a time frame. Let's give it like at least a month and a half, up to 60 days. Okay, I'm not good with the timers, but that's my timing. Okay, 32 down to 26. Nice, really aggressive, well, cautious buy range with an anticipation of the price moving up to like 43,000, potentially higher actually. So that's all I have for you guys. Hope that was useful. Okay, so leave an appropriate thumb just below the video if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can push the video out there to the investors. Also, if you're new, before you go, we covered the traditional stocks, okay, throughout the week, 7 days. So kind of join us here on this interesting journey. We'll send that information when it is available. Once again, guys, please execute your strategies out there. It's getting very volatile. If you don't know what you're doing, I highly recommend you do not use leverage in this area. Okay, just execute your strategies out there. All right, we'll talk soon, and bye for now.